So once you learn how to talk on camera, it's just amazing how good you can get at this and still have an issue. Check your face. Make sure everything on your face is clear, because I'll tell you, that camera doesn't hold anything back. It's gonna go right there. You got that hair sticking out of your nose like that last video. Did you get the stuff out of your teeth today? Because you gotta eat. Well, you don't have to show the whole world what you just ate. So make sure you brush your teeth, comb your hair, clean your face, do all the things. Try and get the lighting as best as you can get it. We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna get it. I want you to make really good videos and look nice doing it, because if you've suffered through any of my other videos, oh, by the way, new to the channel, my name is Greg, and if you're a returning if you are a returning viewer, welcome. I sure appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Hopefully I fixed my face and it's okay, and if you are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. I don't think you could go out and buy as many mistakes as I have made free of charge. Make your videos and check your face. Hours of editing, 5x5 inch screen to edit your videos, and then you play it through your monitor. Show my video on a 65 inch screen TV, and the only thing that I could focus on the whole entire time was I had a hair coming out of my nose. Oh, so embarrassing, and nobody can take you in it. No one can take you serious when you have hair coming out of your nose. And I'm talking about trying to convince people to make videos for a legacy so that you can pass these videos on for future generations, so that they can see what Grandpa looks like. And you know what all my grandchildren and everybody are gonna say is, yeah, Grandpa with the hair out of his nose. Check to make sure that you look like how you want to look when you're making your video. I did not delete that video, and the reason why is I just wanted to show that you can make, I can make mistakes all the time. I get tongue-tied, forget half of my script, record again, and edit it out later on. Chances are, I've always tried. My goal is to make a video with no editing. You can realize you can do it too. I'm just telling you, you don't need all the fancy gear. You don't need all the fancy sound effects. You can do ninja stuff, and you don't need that. But you can make your videos. And there's nothing holding you back except for yourself. Oh, you don't have enough time. Work a 40-hour plus week. Be energetic and be happy. Have a positive attitude. The more you do, the better you'll get. So don't worry about it. Just get your videos out there. I'll see you next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye. Learning how to talk